Well, this is my 36-gallon bow tank, and another pair of the polar blue parrot cichlids have laid eggs. And I just noticed them on the rock here. And I wonder if I can get, oh, Mama's being protective. If I can get a close-up, you can see the little wigglers. If I can keep it steady. There you go. Pretty good count for how many. They almost free swimming. They're moving a little bit, so I'm thinking they're probably day 2 of hatching. So right on, Mom and Pop, second pair. I have 9 of the polar blue parrot cichlids, and I have 2 pairs already. Right on. Go, Mom and Dad. That's the proud Mama right there, and big Papa.